of Transcorp Hotels PLC, Mrs. Dupe Olushola, who joins me today to celebrate the success of the rights issue and commemorate the listing of 2.643 billion additional ordinary shares. The offer was 99% subscribed, and the formal listing of the rights issue took place on the 18th of January 2021 on the floor of the exchange. This year has seen a positive start for the Nigerian capital markets, despite the recent surge in cases from the COVID-19 pandemic, both locally and internationally. Last year, the resilience of our capital market was commended globally as the NSE All-Share Index emerged as the best performing index of the 93 global equity indices tracked by Bloomberg to post a one-year return of about 50%. To date, the All-Share Index has sustained its upward trajectory, achieving a growth of 4.12% year to date. Similarly, capital raising activities in the equity market increased significantly in 2020 as the value of supplementary issues increased dramatically, rising by 852% to 1.42 trillion naira from 149 billion in 2019. At the exchange, we remain committed to providing issuers with a platform that allows them to meet their strategic business objectives. And it is our delight to see listed companies take full advantage of the NSE's products and services to support their growth trajectory. On behalf of the National Council and management of the Nigerian Stock Exchange, I congratulate the board and management of Transcorp Hotels PLC for their laudable commitment towards the sustained growth of this reputable brand. Transcorp Hotels PLC's successful capital raise, despite the prevailing macroeconomic challenges, is highly commendable, and the additional capital raise will be used to reduce financing costs and optimize its capital structure, consequently allowing Transcorp Hotels to take full advantage of business opportunities in line with its growth strategy. I also congratulate the stellar work being done by the CEO, Mrs. Olushola, and her management team in continuing the tradition of global recognition of the Transcorp Hotels brand since her appointment on March 5th, 2020. Its flagship, Transcorp Hilton Abuja, for the 6th consecutive year, emerged as the winner of the 2020 World Travel Awards in 4 categories, and notably Africa's leading business hotel. To be a recipient of this award during these extraordinary times is by no means a small feat, and it is a testament to the hard work and commitment of the entire management team. The NSE is committed to helping issuers derive great value from their interaction with the market. I encourage corporates and governments to leverage the existing opportunities in the capital market to realize their growth and strategic objectives, as current market conditions continue to favor capital raising activities across various asset classes. The NSE has also achieved all-round increased efficiency in terms of competitive pricing structures, improved turnaround times, and enhanced customer experience. We believe that it is our responsibility to strategically position ourselves to support the growth of our issuers, dealing members, and other stakeholders. Once again, let me, on behalf of the National Council and executive management of the Nigerian Stock Exchange, commend Transcorp Hotels on a successful offering. I also commend the issuing houses, AVA Capital Partners Limited and United Capital PLC, and all professional parties to this transaction for ensuring a successful equity capital raise. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I now invite Mrs. Olushola to make a few remarks.
Good afternoon, and thank you so much for the kind introduction. Permit me to stand on all existing protocols. I am pleased to be here today to mark and celebrate the successful completion of Transcorp Hotels PLC's 10 billion rights issue and the listing of 2.4642 billion ordinary shares, each of 3.76 naira per share. Before I start, it is important to acknowledge that the past year has been a challenging one with the impact of the COVID pandemic. Some of us indeed have lost dear ones, family and friends, so we do not take it lightly that we're here today. As you're already aware and mentioned, Transcorp Hotels PLC is Nigeria and indeed Africa's leading hospitality company with over 30 years experience and almost 800 hotel rooms across locations of Abuja and Calabar. We have retained market leadership in the industry with a plan to continue to expand rapidly to other locations. I would like to commend and express my deep appreciation to our regulators, to the Nigerian Stock Exchange, and to market operators for the support in the successful completion of the rights issue. In particular, I must commend our shareholders for 99.3% successful subscription of the 10 billion naira raise at a time like this. It is indeed no small feat and an indication of your belief in our company, which we are confident and optimistic that we will continue to deliver on all the promises. Over the past few months, in fact, a year to be exact, the hospitality sector has been one of the worst hit of the COVID pandemic, with many hotels shutting down globally and many of them not even actually reopening at all. The fact that Transcorp Hotels PLC has not only survived despite these challenging times, but in this period is actually on the path of recovery is a testament to the initiatives that we have put in place and our ability to quickly innovate and adapt to what we now call the new normal. At the peak of the pandemic, we had occupancy as low as 5% and had to very quickly review and take critical and fundamental decisions to remain open and maintain operations at our hotels. I must tell you, that decision was a tough one, but we learned from it. We very quickly put safety protocols and initiatives that set us apart. Introducing initiatives like our drive-through cinema, increased packaging and offers targeted at developing the leisure and local demand sector in Nigeria. And our destination hotels became the one-stop leisure destination in the country. By December, all of these initiatives paid off as the hotel began to witness a remarkable recovery, with monthly occupancy rising to a high of 55%. And in fact, over some weekends, this is unheard of in any competitive hotel, both in Nigeria and across the world. Our revenue performance in December, an impressive 1.2 billion, coming up to about 75% of the previous year's performance for the same period, despite the current market predicament. Thank you, Oscar. You mentioned some of the awards that we got already, and it's indeed a testament to all that we had done. Moving forward, we are optimistic about 2021, and we have begun the year in a strong position, having learned valuable lessons through the turbulence of the previous year. Our key strategy is to continue to deepen our share and expand our market by deploying various asset-light strategies, leveraging best-in-class technology, and continuously providing the highest service standards across our locations. We are prioritizing several exciting and forward-thinking initiatives, including Aura, our asset-light strategy digital platform with bookings, which offers bookings and accommodations and experiences across different markets. Also, our shared working space concept, work from hotel hubs, providing shared space for teams that can work in convenient locations. We are confident that these initiatives will continue to set us apart. It would help continue to increase our footprint across Africa and position us as leaders within this space. We will continue to build on our team of exceptional people, customer-focused strategy, sustainable business model, and disciplined approach to financial management to grow as a business as we continue to deliver value to all of our stakeholders. Again, it's a great opportunity to be here, and I thank you for the opportunity to share more with you, and I look forward to celebrate many, many more future successes with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Olushola, for your wonderful remarks. Let me now invite the doyen of the market, our own digital doyen, Alhaji Rashid Isu, to make a few remarks.
Thank you, Oscar. Let me also, on behalf of the dealing member of the Nigerian Stock Exchange, welcome Mrs. Dupe Olushola, and in welcoming her, to also congratulate her and her company for the successful capital raising that she told us they have just gotten engaged in. The fact that you are able to do in this particular period, embark on a capital raising exercise and making a 99.3% success of it is an indication of the confidence of this investing public in your company. This confidence, I urge you to sustain and also to reciprocate. As you have alluded to earlier on, despite COVID, despite the various challenges, the market has risen enormously to support you with 99% support, 99.3% support. We expect that you will reciprocate by also ensuring that at the end of the year, you also give a 99.3% dividend payout so that you will be rewarding the shareholder for the confidence they have given to you. We will not expect any excuse or any explanation. In fact, we hope that with the new money that you have raised, you will do so wonderfully well that the shareholders will just smile to the bank. And with that, they will continue to. Let me also say and appreciate the fact that you are giving us this information. We want you to make it a regular event. Prices on the Nigerian Stock Exchange are determined by three major factors. Your published account. If you don't give us your published account, of course, you know the stock exchange will be on your neck. Then your management information that you provide for us, like some of the things that you have told us today. Of course, the third one is the public hearsay. We ask you to keep in touch with the exchange, keep in touch with your broker, give us all the information that are necessary so that we could reflect all of this in the pricing of your stock. Please be aware and continue to get conscious of the fact that the stockbroking community, the stock exchange, the issuing us, we are all there to support you. Give us all the information, whether good or bad, share it with us, and we shall give you the advice and support you. We are here to ensure that you continue to perform on a continuous basis. It is our pleasure to have you this afternoon. We thank you and congratulate you for your success. Thank you for coming, and God bless you.
Thank you very much, Doyen, for your remarks.
Thank you very much.
Let me invite Mrs. Olushola to now close the market. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
That familiar sound is what you would have heard on the trading floor of the exchange to signify that is closed for the day. I want to congratulate and thank Mrs. Olushola for joining us this afternoon. Thank you all, and please continue to stay safe. C-19 pandemic is not over. Let's wear our masks and social distance. With that said, that brings us to the end of this transmission. Thank you very much.